Hey folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go. Listen, I'm going to teach you in this video, okay? I'm going to be very transparent here. I'm going to show you how I'm hitting $860, okay, using my Instagram account. And as a matter of fact, you see this account right here? This is the Instagram account here that I'm using. I don't have any followers, but it's generating me right now 800. As you can see, yesterday was 300, and today we had $400 right now. And I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do this today in the next 24 hours right now. Make money online using this very free strategy. Disclaimer, this is not meant for you to make $1 million. Disclaimer, most people that's watching this video, you won't make money. Not because you can't, it's because you're just lazy. Which means is, you have to really pay attention to videos like this, okay? First step is this. You need to go to what is called digistore.com, okay? Digistore24.com is worldwide, okay? You have to go here first because these are the people that's going to pay you, okay? Step one, get yourself a free account. Go to register now here. And as you can see, if you scroll down here, create a username, your email address as well, password. As you can see, it is worldwide here, okay? They almost every state, every country around the world. They're in Colombia, they're in Ghana, Germany, France, they're in Fiji, all around the world. This is worldwide here, okay? Smash the like button because I decided to do a video that this is worldwide, okay? Now, once you get an account, what you need to do is log into your account here. So I'm going to log into my account, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to go to Marketplace, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Money Manifestation System Genie Script. Now listen, this is one of my offers, and let me share something. I know a lot of you are thinking that I'm only showing you this because I want you to promote my stuff. No. True story. An affiliate 48 hours ago sent me an email and said, Wesley, I see that you help people. I'm promoting your program. It's working very well for me, and I'm making $1,000 a day. I have a strategy that many people don't know about, and I want to bless it with you so you can bless it with your followers, your YouTube followers, Instagram followers. If they will like it, they can use it and make money. And I said, man, I appreciate that. So much love to that young man that sent me that email. So this is the strategy here, okay? So listen, right now we're number 3 on the platform out of hundreds of thousands of products right now. I'm sorry, maybe a couple of thousand here. It's because affiliates, people like you, brand new people, are making money, okay? So listen, what you're going to do is this. You want to go to your link that says earning your promo link, okay? You're going to copy that. Copy that to a notepad because we need to come back to that later, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how is this Instagram account here? You have a picture of Ariella here. How are you making money from this Instagram account? Now, listen, you can do this 2 ways. You can either use your own Instagram account or you create a new one. Does that make sense? Now, this part of the video, you have to really pay close attention because if you miss something, you're going to make $0, okay? Does that make sense, okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to create an Instagram account from scratch, or you can use the one that you're using right now. How many of you have an IG account? Comment below. That's important. Smash the like button if you have an IG account and you want to use it to make a couple of $100,000 per day, like I've showed you right here in this video here. Let me just show you one more time so you can see it here. You see that? Comment below. Okay, great. So listen, it's very simple to do, okay? Very simple to do. Once you create the account, what you want to do is this. And I'm going to leave a link below. You're going to go to Marketplace on digistore24.com. Click on Marketplace. You're going to scroll down to where it says Money Manifestation System and the Genie Script, okay? You're going to click on Affiliate Support Page. This is important. This is very important here, okay? You're going to see a crazy looking black guy on top of a Rolls Royce, right? You're going to see a button that says, yes, I want easy cash. Click that button here. You want to put in here your name, okay? Your name is Big Head, okay? Put your email here, whatever that email is, whatever, right? Now, it's important that you put your actual email here. And you're going to click, yes, I'm ready to get paid. Now, what this does is this gives you access to tools, okay? And you need tools to be able to utilize on the IG account so you can start making money like I showed you before. Does that make sense? Okay? Is everybody with me here? All right, great. And guys, you know what? I'm gonna do something cool. I'm gonna give away some free cash apps if you tag three to more people below. First 5 people to do that, I'm just gonna randomly give out cash apps to you if you tag, share, and like this video here, because I got love for you. I want you to win. All right, look here. So you see where it says click here to download videos, YouTube ad videos. Click here. Okay. Now, you're going to see a lot of videos, but listen, I want you to use very specific videos, okay? You're not going to use all these videos. Every video that you see this beautiful lady, Ariella, you see her, Ariella. These are the only videos that you're going to use. You're going to download them. Does that make sense? Okay. That should go again. Here. But what I'm going to do, because I want to make your life easier here, I'm just going to show you the one that's working very, very well right now for me. Okay. Which is this one. Okay. Look. This video right here is earning me right now between $400 and $800 a day, okay? That video. So you want to go back, exactly what I showed you. See, the video is here. You want to download that video, okay? And you want to basically airdrop it to your phone. This is important here. And on your Instagram account or a brand new one, you want to upload that video as a post. Does that make sense? If you're with me, smash the like button. I just want to make sure you're with me right now, okay? Listen close. You're going to upload that video to either a brand new Instagram account or your IG account right now, okay? As a caption, you're going to use these words. Please screenshot that right now, okay? If you got it, screenshot it, smash the like button so I know to move on, okay? You're going to type these words in the description when you post the video on the IG account, okay? Okay? This secret yantra reveals the key to wealth and happiness, and it only takes 600 seconds. Link is in my bio. Does that make sense? That's important. You must do that. And I'm going to show you. Just stay with me, okay? Because there's another piece of the puzzle to make the money start raining, okay? You're going to click off. Because what this guy showed me, this guy's a genius. I mean, he's not spending any money, no followers, and he's killing it right now. Listen, in the description, in the bio, okay, on the IG account, either your new one or your old one, okay, you're going to write the secret yantra transforms women's bank account nearly overnight. And then here, don't put this. You're going to put your affiliate link that I asked you to copy in the beginning of the video. Does that make sense? Go back and rewind to make sure that you copy that link. Because if you don't do it, you're not going to make money. Okay? So let me go back here. You remember the link here? Give me a second. Let me log back in. Okay? Is everybody with me? Smash the like button here. Okay? Look. Let's go back to Marketplace. You remember this link here. Okay? This is the link that you're going to use to paste here. Or better yet, what you want to do is this. Let me show you something else here. You go to bit.ly.com, which is a URL shortener, okay? You're going to paste that link right here. Are you guys with me here? Okay? You hit shorten here. Copy. Okay? And you're going to paste that right here. That's it. Okay? Is everybody here? Is everybody with me? Comment or smash the like button. Let's go! Listen, this is your financial freedom here. You know, I can't promise you riches, but $500 a day, that's 15 grand a month. This guy's doing 30K per month using this, okay? So like I said before, you can either, if you do a brand new account, okay, the picture that you want to use, and this is what I do, you can put buy now, okay? Because it's subliminal, okay? Buy now, all right? And as you're looking at buy now, that's what you can use as the profile picture for your new account or on your current Instagram account. Does that make sense? Make sure you put these words in your bio. Please screenshot this, please. Let me know when you're done. Smash the like button if you're done. Okay? Okay, cool. All right, now the question is, okay, Wesley, well, how are you going to get people to go here, to click on that link so I can get paid, okay? Listen, you're about to make money online. I want everybody right now to comment the words, I will make money online. Now, it's important to do that because you want to affirm that you will, not want, I will. Comment right now below. I can see you, okay? I will make money online. You got to believe that you will. Check it out. You want to go to a little site by the name of reddit.com. Reddit.com. Look. Reddit.com. Millions of people use this site per day. Reddit. Very popular website. You want to get yourself in a free account, okay? Get yourself a free account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. I already have my account. Get yourself a free account to Reddit, okay? This is all you're going to do. This is how simple this is. You're going to type in law of attraction, okay? You're going to click on where it says 171,000 members here. Maybe more, maybe less. And you're going to join the group for free, okay? Now you have access to 171,000 people here. Now listen, don't be like a newbie and start posting and putting your affiliate link on this page. You don't want to do that. You won't make any money. You're going to get banned. This is what you do. You want to look at the top posts, okay? The top post is weekly manifestation thread here. And as you can see, you have over 450 comments here. Click on that. There's two ways to do this. What you want to do is you're going to reach out to this person. This is what you're going to say. You see it here? Start chat. I do this all the time. It works. It's powerful. Okay, it's going to work for you to make money online now. Okay? You see this right here? All you're going to do is you're going to type these words. Write this down, please. I've noticed that you're manifesting pretty well based off your comment in the group law of attraction. What are some of the techniques are you using? That's all you're going to do. Write this down. I've noticed that you're manifesting, and I like that comment that you left on the law of attraction group. What are some of the techniques, listen, that you're currently using to manifest money? Now, this is powerful here. Man, this is so powerful. Smash the like button if you just had an aha moment. Listen, when you send that, the person is naturally going to say, oh, yeah, I use this, I use this, I use this. Make sense? Because people, they love helping people, okay? They're going to say, yeah, I use this, I use this, I use this, I use this, I use this. And then what you're going to type is, wow, that's cool, wow. But, however, have you ever used this? What you're going to do is this. You're going to take your Instagram account, okay? You can either do that or take the video itself, okay? Copy and paste. See that? You're going to go down here. But, however, have you seen this? I was thinking about using it, but I wanted to get your advice since you seem to be an expert. Okay? I'm going to slow down, guys. Does that make sense? What you're going to do. And listen, if you need to watch the video again, watch it again. Repetition is the mother of skill. Okay? Watch it again until you get it. When you reach out to all these people here, okay? And maybe you know what? I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can get all these twos faster. I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can get these links faster, okay? You're going to reach out to all these people that responded here, okay? And you're basically going to say, I love the post that you posted on the Law of Attraction group. But I was wondering, what techniques are you using right now to manifest money? You see what I'm doing there? Okay. They're going to reply to you. You're going to send it to everybody. Everybody. Right? Okay. Now, once you do that, once they respond, you say, well, have you seen this? All you do is send them a link to the post on the Instagram account or video that you uploaded from the video that I told you to download from the link that I gave you. Does that make sense? Okay. Rewind the video if it's needed. That's all you need to do. You're going to send them here. They're going to click on it. They're going to watch it. They're going to say link in the bio. Boom, boom, boom. They're going to click here and bam. They're going to watch the presentation here. And this is how me and this other guy are earning $800 to $1,000 a day. Okay. Did everybody understand that? Okay. And yes, I'm still doing the Cash App thing, but listen, guys, I know you want free money, but listen, I want to teach you how to fish. Okay. I know you guys want me to give you the fish. Let me teach you how to fish so you can get your own fish. Rewind the video. Watch this again. This technique is powerful. People are earning. I'm earning money. You can earn money right now. Now listen, if you guys want somebody else to do this, you might say, well, this makes sense, Wesley. I'm going to smash the like button now because this was a great informative video. But can somebody do this for me? Absolutely. Look, go here. Fiverr.com. I love Fiverr.com because they'll do everything for you for $5 here. Type in virtual assistant. Okay. This is for lazy people who just don't have time to do it. You pay somebody $10, $5, $25 to do it for you. Okay. You say, hey, watch this video here right now again and do exactly what this gentleman just showed you in the video here. Reach out to 1,000 people a day. It is almost impossible, okay? Look here, for you not to make the same money that I'm making right here, okay? You tell the Fiverr guy to do it for you every day, hit 1,000 people in the Reddit group, and listen here. You can join as many Law of Attraction groups that you want to. Okay? It's just not one. You see that? You join as many as you want to. Join all of them. Does that make sense? And reach out to people based off their script that I just gave you in the video. Rewind it, watch it again. Hey guys, if you got value, smash the like button. Always sub to the channel. And listen, I'm going to leave a link below to get all the tools and the video that I'm using right here on this IG account, brand new, that's generating $500 to $800 a day for free. No money, no followers. The link is in the description below. Much love. I love you guys. Remember, in life, you don't get what you want, you get what you picture, but you must take massive action now. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin, motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Later.